So we have honey gold wings, chicken wings, Keeping It Real Kitchen guest episode for 100 subscribers almost.
Wash the chicken.
Wash it. Now make sure you wash it good.
Is that how you do it?
Oh. So, okay. What's this step here?
And just stirring it up so it won't starch or anything.
Oh, okay. Oh, this is grease.
Yeah, that's grease.
Oh, okay. I don't know why it look like water.
But I like to cook them longer. Because I don't want no half-done chicken wings, dog.
You definitely don't want no half-done chicken wings. That's the worst. How long they been on?
That's how, I mean, she was scared, but that wouldn't work that day. So that's how she got the phone.
10 minutes.
10 minutes. 10 minutes. Can't have wings without the carrots and celery, so
Jack said they got blue cheese and ranch dressing. So.
All right. We got some secret stuff going on. I can't show it. I've been sworn not to show it.
For the lemon peppers.
Yes, for the lemon pepper wing. So this is a secret. That's all I can show.
And this is a special mix of seasoning. Even though you see this, it's a special mix because we always have to put our little twist into stuff.
Oh. So it's not Goya.
It's Goya, but it's mixed with some other spices.
Oh, so it is Goya.
It's Goya,
but it's mixed.
And I'll never tell.
And she's not gonna ever tell.
Not on camera.
Not even me.
Not on camera. Turn it up. Because it wasn't getting that hot. And these are ready to go.
Ready to go.
And I got to drop the other ones in. But I like for them to be a little bit brown, so you know exactly they're brown. They're done. I like them a little bit more browner.
Say about 5 more minutes.
Yeah, I like to get it. I like to see brown on them. A little bit more browner. They already floated to the top even before, but
We're not supposed to. I let them stand up.
Yeah, these started floating in the top. I let them stand there 15 minutes. No, about 15, 20 more minutes, I think, after they floated to the top. Okay.
So this is the
Lemon pepper.
Oh, yeah, light. Good.
and so the wings have been mixed with the secret, which I can't tell you about. Secret coating.
They gonna say, well, why you don't keep it in the real kitchen then?
Keeping it real. She's
Keeping
always
it, yeah, keeping it real kitchen
Keeping it real secret.
with a feature. Keeping it real secret. I have a guest today. It's my mother. It's me, Tomato, by the way. Tomato.
Tomato?
Tomato. Tomato.
Tomato?
Tomato.
Mater?
Mater.
Yeah.
Mater. Tomato.
And
Tomato. We have something else going on.
Yeah, that's the honey gold dipping.
Dipping in honey gold. Yes.
So shake the lemon pepper, which is a secret. I can't show you the type, but I can show you the lemon pepper being sprinkled.
Everybody know that. They know what it is.
They don't know which kind though. They don't know what's in it.
Chicken bean dipped in honey gold.
Okay, now I'm going to transition to the honey gold sauce, which definitely is a secret. But I can show you this part. I can show you this much.
Cover it up.
So lemon pepper pretty much done.
Yep.
Honey gold being tossed. Honey
We're
gold.
here today with Tomato's family. We got Tomato's stepdad in here, dipping in honey gold.
Describe to them how honey gold tastes for those who don't know.
Delicious. How does it taste, Tomato's stepdad?
Tangy
Tangy.
honey gold sauce.
Tangy honey gold sauce.
And then once they go on top, just spread them out. With that
Sweet, sour, with a little bit of spice. No, not really. No, I don't think there's that much spice at all.
Give me 4 honey golds on here.
Plate them up to go.
4 honey golds.
Right here. Is it
Try to plate them up for it to go
We're
through.
good.
I know you want to bite one. I do.
Okay, this is
No,
What am I doing? I'm gonna grab one.
okay. That's fine.
these are the hot of Jen
Alright.
fixing his plate.
I need something to get this hot ones with. Lemon pepper.
We have
I just grabbed my finger.
these are the lemon peppers here
Go for what I know.
being fixed by my
Wash my
cousin.
hands.
These are lemon tomatoes cousin.
This
Oh
lemon
yeah?
pepper?
No, I'm sorry,
That's
that's not
honey gold.
lemon pepper. That's honey gold. My
Lemon
bad.
peppers over there.
And that's lemon pepper over there.
We keeping it real.
Keep it real kitchen. Ooh, Majestic Gem pile.
He gave him the whole samples of it.
He about to eat a whole chicken over there.
Wings, man. Knock down some wings. I don't know.
Oh, okay. Tomatoes cousin.
Tomatoes, cousin. I don't even eat meat.
Oh.
I'm sacrificing today eating chicken.